Hello, and welcome to another episode of Matter Hacks brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about public spaces. For a lot of our Matter Hacks videos, we focus on individual tools, whether it be claims documentation tools or things that are possible with Matterport's technology, hardware, software, etc. For this video, I wanted to focus on some of the managerial administrative aspects of Matterport's technology, or at least their website. I have logged into my Matterport account here, and under the top, there are a couple tabs here. The one that I want to focus on is this right here. When you click Public Spaces, this is the area where you can see from your Team Matterport account all of the spaces that are currently public. That means that you went to the top right, you changed it from private to public, and you shared the scan link. Whoever is doing administration of your account can access the Public Spaces tab quickly to verify what scans are actually out there. And for various reasons, you may want to make things public or private at any various time, and do routine checkups on your public spaces to be able to see what's out there. And if there's something that shouldn't be out there anymore, you have the opportunity to go into that scan directly from here. For example, we'll go to our level 2. I'm going to hold Control so it opens in a new tab. And then I can come here and quickly go, nope, I want to make it private again. So this is a great tab for you to be able to see what spaces have we scanned, what is out there that is public, is there anything that I see here that needs to be made private quickly just by clicking on it and taking it from public back to private. This has been another Matter Hack. I hope it helps you understand some of the organization and administrative efforts around your Matterport account and scans. Please, if you could, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you next week.